We have been talking about images and containers for quite a lot of time now. So let us quickly understand the differences between the two. So an image is a package or a template, okay, just like a VM template that you might have worked with in the virtualization, okay. It is used to create one or more containers. In precise, it acts as a blueprint for creating containers. It's immutable and read-only, and it is built once and can be deployed many times. Whereas containers are the running instances of images that are isolated and have their own environments and set of process. So they are nothing but the running instances. It is mutable and can change. That is, you can run the containers, stop the containers, restart the containers, and eventually delete the containers. Okay, so creation, start, stop, delete, everything can be done using the Docker commands. As we have seen before, a lot of products, okay, have been Dockerized already. In case you cannot find what you're looking for, you can eventually create an image for yourself, push it to the Docker Hub repository, and make it available for the public. So this is the key difference between the Docker image and the container.